Welcome back. If you've been following along, I've been going pretty hard on this little hand plane here. And I need just a little bit of a break from it. So I'm going to start chopping up this steel and start making some paring chisels. So that's going to do it for me today. A little short build for this nice little mini chisel here. I already have a couple things in mind to use this on. Got a couple hand planes and some marquetry work that I want to do, and I think it's also going to help with cleaning out the corners of dovetails. So I see a lot of uses for this in the future. So if you made it this far, I sincerely appreciate you tuning in. If you would like, check out the store. I'm going to have a couple of these up on there for sale. There's also some hammer kits and some calipers and other stuff is going up there all the time. Hand planes are starting to pop up there now too. And I think that's it for me. So I'll see you on the next one.